Hello, this is Professor Dan Stein. I work with Dr. Ronald Lehrer, Chair of the Graduate Programs in Education and Special Education, and we will give you an edTPA an overview. So the edTPA is a certification-specific exam. Therefore, for each teacher certification, there's an edTPA. One for math, one for science, different grade levels, etc. But at Touro, all Touro masters in education have special education as a component. And since New York State teacher certification requires passing just one edTPA, Touro has decided to work with students and faculty in the second literacy course to assist students in passing the education exam for special education, the edTPA for special education. Okay, so the edTPA in its simplest form doesn't sound very difficult. It is to measure teachers' readiness with evidence provided by the candidate, and they ask you to plan a lesson, instruct, which is a video, assess the lesson, all with a language component and language and communication in special education. However, when you look at the guidebook, it's 50 pages. There's 15 rubrics for each of the first three tasks. Students have to write over 40 pages. There's a lesson video, which needs to be compressed and uploaded to Pearson. Technology is needed to download and upload files, contacting your professor for review, where they're allowed to give you general comments, which is really rather nice when you think that your professor can guide you. And then using platforms, and at Touro, we use both Blackboard and Pearson. So it sounds daunting, but in the beginning, planning, instructing, assessing with a language component is something we've been doing at Touro in all our courses. Okay, Touro has chosen the second literacy course, and Touro professors, should be noted, are experts in special education. And the professors do care, they are concerned, and they want to assist every student in passing the edTPA. Completion of the edTPA, however, is only a partial course requirement for the second literacy course. The second literacy course at Touro is given in your final semester, and so you have all the pre-training. Communication will take place in two platforms. Blackboard, there's a course shell called edTPA Made Easy, Spring 2014. In that course, you're going to find documents, the handbook, discussion boards, so that you can ask questions. That's both for faculty and for students. Okay, logs, professors' comments, so that if a student uploads an assignment, task 1, part A, the professor can go into Blackboard, actually log in, and leave a comment, and it will be viewable after the submission to Pearson. That is distinctly different than the Pearson platform. Once information is submitted for uploaded to Pearson and then sent for submission, all information is lost, and the college will not be able to see or go back and see what comments were made by the professor or what work was done by the student. So therefore, students will need to upload to Blackboard so that students at the end, so that faculty at the end of the term can review what you've done in the edTPA for your coursework. Touro students should know that they are added individually to this course, and that the addition to the edTPA Made Easy in Spring 2014 will take 5 business days after you register. You can visit Pearson platform and purchase your subscription there for the exam. I believe the cost is $300. You can also get some of the documents at that location. Task. Okay. The tasks of the edTPA are planning, instruction, assessment, and language and communication. The language and communication will be integrated in all of the above, and we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, task 6, slide here. Okay, more is coming. This is the first video, and we're going to show you how to prepare your edTPA. Thank you.